My name is K. Tanmaisha. I am studying 9th Olympiad Girls in Sri Valmiki High School. Today my project name is Solar Power Irrigation. The solar power irrigation is also known as SPIS. It is work on the principle of PV panels. The solar power irrigation is very helpful for houses and gardening, farming, etc. It will collect all the sunrises and it will store in the solar. For houses, the 2 to 3 panels. For houses, 2 to 3 panels are 2 to 3 panels are okay, but for gardening 6 to 7 must and should, because the garden is so big. That's why the solar panel should be very more. The solar power irrigation is the eco-friendly with gardening. It is work on the principle of sunlight. When the sun rises, it will collect all sunrises and it will store in it. This is my project. This is a solar panel. When we switch on the solar panel, the water will form into this collection tank and it will come into this garden, and when the garden is overloaded, it will go into again the well. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Hi friends, my name is Ikshita. I am studying 9th Olympiad Girls. This project is physics project. I would like to say this 3D hologram screen model. Hologram is the three directions, 3D images on the object. Hologram is developed by Gobar is the 1947 after the laser light. Thank you for this speech.
Hi, good evening to everyone. This is Shima. I am from 9th Olympiad Girl. This is my physics project work. My project work name is air cooler. Air cooler is also known as evaporative coolers. It works on the principle of evaporative cooling. Air cooler helps to reduce the risk of heat strokes. Air coolers is very essential in high temperature areas and low humidity areas. Air coolers works on the principle of evaporative cooling. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Good morning. Hi friends, my name is Tabassum from 9th Olympiad Girls. Today I am here saying about my project work. It is about road safety.
Hi friends, this is T. Ritvika from 9th Olympiad Girls. Today I would like to explain about my project. So this is the traffic rule. Red color indicates stop and yellow indicates ready to go and green indicates go.
If we follow these rules, we can be very safeful. It is divider line which can, in this way we can come, in this way we can go. Thank you.
B. Pragnashree. I am from 9th Olympiad Girls. A hologram is 3-dimensional figures.
Hi friends, my name is K. Tanmaisha. I am from 9th Olympiad Girls, Sri Valmiki High School. Today my project name is 3D hologram. The 3D hologram is helpful for children mostly, because the children are seeing phone by keeping off upside of a face. That's why it is more harmful for eyes. That's why we should use 3D hologram. The 3D hologram is the 3-dimensional figure. First see this. This is very nice, because children are using phone, but the light rays will harmful for eyes. This is more helpful for children. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Thank you for.
Hi friends, this is Tanushree from 8th Olympiad. My project name is vernier scale. The shown of vernier scale, which is internal and external diameters of an object, is called vernier scale. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is P. Saipra. I am studying in 8th Olympiad. My topic name is frictional force. Frictional force is generated by two surfaces that contact and slides against each other. A few feathers affecting by the frictional force. These few feathers are affecting by the amount of water. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Hi friends, my name is Likita. I am studying in 8th Olympiad. My topic name is types of motion. First type is First type is periodic motion, example is clock. Second type is rotatory motion, example is fan. Third type is linear motion, example is. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
This is Indra from 8th Olympiad. Today my topic is states of matter. There are three states of matter: solids, liquids, gases. Solids, the molecular packed tightly. The example I had taken a rice. I had filled a cup of rice. Liquids, water. Liquid state of things is called liquid states. Gases are present in everywhere in the earth. Example oxygen, hydrogen, etc. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Hi friends, my name is SM Divinis. I am studying 9th class Sri Valmiki High School in Kadri. Today my project is a electric bell. Electric bell is used for schools, van, etc. It is work when you switch on the button. It is going through the circuit, and the circuit goes to the motor, and the motor of striker. We can easily ring the bell.
Good afternoon friends. Today is my project work name is Attraction Force Between Earth and Moon. My name is Gautam. I am from 9th Olympiad Boys. My school name is Valmiki School. It is the attraction force between the moon and earth. The earth has second highest gravitational force to compare with all planets except sun. Sun has more, and earth will contain more attraction force with moon. Moon is surrounded by earth. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Hi, good afternoon to all. My name is Bidar. I am studying 9th class in T6. My school name is Sri Valmiki English Medium High School, Kadire. My project name is hydraulic lift. In the hydraulic lift, I have used materials like 2 syringes and 1 pipe, cardboard and small car and color papers. In the hydraulic lift, if we press syringe A, the water moves into syringe B with the help of pipe. If we pull the syringe A, the water comes into syringe A. The flow of syringe B into syringe A. This is hydraulic. Thanks.
Hi, I am Charita from 9th Olympiad. This is my project parallel circuit. A circuit is said to be parallel when an electric current has more uses. The components that are part of the electric current parallel circuit. Parallel circuit keeps the lights on in our home, and thank you.
Hello friends, my name is S. Purtri. I am from 9th Olympiad Girls. This project name is electric bulb. This is used for alert the schools for regular classes, and all the members are alerted to the all regular classes and breaks to that, etc.
Hi friends, my name is C. Kirtana. I am from 9th Olympiad Girls. My school name is Valmiki School. I am telling about my project, that is windmill. It is used mostly to generate current for households, etc. Its principle is changing from wind energy to electrical energy. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Akshara. I am studying 8th class in Sri Valmiki School. Today my project name is air pressure bottle. You can observe it. I filled water with color, and I took one plastic recycled bottle. I hold it, and when I open the bottle, water will come, and when I close the bottle, in hole the water is not coming because of the air pressure. When I open the cap, the air is going into the bottle and pressing the water, so water is coming out. When I close the top of the bottle, the air is pressing opposite to the water, so the water is not coming. Thanks for giving this golden.
Hi friends, this is Bhavyashree. I am studying 8th Olympiad. This is electrolysis of water. Electrolysis of water, it can separate hydrogen and oxygen. Thanks for giving this golden opportunity.
Good morning to one and all. This is Tamim from 9th Olympiad Boys.
Good morning to everybody. My name is B. Muhammad Asad from 9th Olympiad Boys.
This rainwater detector we bought done in the home. It helps in when it is raining. It makes a buzzer sound and helps to the people to know that it is raining outside.
When rain drops fall on this metal blade and it buzzes to the people.
Watch this. This buzzer makes sound when the water falls on. When mothers and other people, when clothes are dried up upon the terrace, it helps in send messages to home.
It helps in building new homes and other constructions. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.